Hey! What are you looking at? Hello guys, my name is Doke and this is a canvas series. Today we are painting a character from another show that I really liked, Stranger Things. Apparently, based on your comments, you liked it too, so let's do it! With a little Eastern Europe twist, I guess. Right from the beginning I decided to do this canvas a bit different than the previous one. One of the main differences is that I decided to do the sketch right on the canvas, not on a paper, and I also sanded the canvas before the painting. I've seen it in some tutorials, so I thought that I might try it. And as I started with the sketching process, with the sketch of the portrait, I've made a decision that I will measure some things because I didn't want to go completely wrong with some of the proportions as in some of the previous paintings. Although in the very last one where I painted Witcher, I actually didn't measure anything. I was measuring everything just with my eyes, and it kind of worked very well. But yeah, I thought that if I measure some core distances, it will be better. And first of all, it seemed that yeah, it will, but then I sort of lost myself in all these distances. To be honest, I didn't really like it because I didn't feel the vibe of the drawing over there. And at the end, the thing that should help me the most, well, I got a feeling that it didn't help me at all. I had to redo the sketch, and after a few measurements I got into a vibe without any measures, and I was just looking at the reference picture, I was just drawing, and that feels a lot better. Although sometimes you put an eye 1 centimeter to the left and it's completely ruined. You know, my original idea with this painting was a little bit strange. Not because of Stranger Things. I wanted to do a Stranger Things plus Soviet Union mashup because when I've seen Eleven in this old jacket, I just thought that it might be funny to place her into a traditional Soviet hood, just like the one where I live, and that she would have this badass look and that she would have an orange in her hand because, you know, oranges were not really common back then. And yeah, it was strange, and during the painting of these block of flats, I was just like, I don't want to do this. So I'll erase these blocks of flats and I'll do something else over there, something strange still, but yeah.
Different doesn't mean anything bad. It just means that you're special. You're one of a kind. One of a kind. One of a kind.
So I applied the spray paint, but it's just like, I'm not actually sure if I like it or... Ask me what am I doing with the background, what's the technique? Well, there's none. I mean, I just like try, I guess. So at this moment, I'm kind of happy because I was afraid that the background will be just one big mess, but I like it. I also like the color combination with the turquoise shirt. Right now I'll try to define the face based on the reference picture. So not that much creativity, but a lot of painting skills, if I can say it like that. Oh yeah, and also mixing skills, color mixing skills, you know. These are the colors that I pre-mixed: shadows, midtones, light, and black with white for some adjustments. Later I will bring maybe some red to emphasize that this is a living creature, not a stone. But yeah, first of all I want to define the So I started to do the details in the painting, and I have to say that I already have some experience. This is not so overwhelming anymore, and I feel like I'm getting a little bit better in this. But I'm still having a problem with these damn proportions. Like, many times I just lose them, and this is a big deal if you do a portrait. You know, if you do some kind of a monster, no one cares, no one will notice, but over here it's super damn important. So because of this I decided to switch from the table position into this painting stand. I never really used it for such a painting because it's not something what I would do, you know. I do everything on a flat surface or on a wall. This is something in between, and well, let's see if I can handle it. Say that the change of the position, putting the canvas onto the stand, helped me a lot, because you can see all the details, you can see the perspective much better when you have it on this position, not on a table. So yeah, but that's enough for today. See you tomorrow. thing that I really don't like about portraits is that you can do an amazing job with the painting, with the colors, but if you just don't catch the proportions correctly, it's all good for nothing. One thing that can help with not completely awesomely perfect proportions is to do the canvas a little bit dirty. The good thing is that I actually like to make it dirty, and I consider it a part of my style that I'm trying to develop, so okay, showtime. I'm looking at the final result and I have to say that I really like it. These canvases they make me happy when they are done. Yeah, honestly, the process and the preparation is painful many times. Also, this canvas, I wanted to do this crazy idea with the background and stuff, but I'm happy that I stick with the portrait thing, because that's what I try to develop right now, that's what I train, so this other stuff would be just a distraction. And one day I'll paint that. Alright guys, if you like it, thumb up would be awesome. You can let me know in the comments below what should I paint the next time. And yeah, I need to show it to you right away because I'm already seeing some mistakes. This is it.